Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Microsoft Store. Try again later something happened on our end on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Microsoft Store try again problem, something happened on our end, then I will show you how to fix this issue. The first method is you just have to click on start menu, then click on settings, scroll down, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see Windows update. You have to just click on run. If there is any issue with your Windows update problem, then it will be resolved automatically. After completion of this, close this window. Try the second method. Press Windows plus R key. Here you need to type services.msc. Hit enter. You need to find Microsoft Store install services. Just press M key. You can see Microsoft Store install services. Right click on that. Click on properties. Here it is selected as manual. First you have to select as automatic, click on stop, click on apply, then again select as manual, then click on start, then click on apply, then click OK. After that, third method is you just need to type cmd, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Here you need to type sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. Here you have to wait for some time to complete this process. After completion of this 100%, you have to just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft Store. Try again later something happened on our end on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.